Hey, how's it going guys? Welcome back to the channel. In this video, we are sharing a quick experience for my new smartwatch Samsung Gear S3 Frontier, after 3 weeks used. I got this watch about 3 weeks ago after 2 weeks pending order. This watch actually released in December 2016. At the time, I tried to place an order, but this bad boy was super hot and out of stock at every store. So, let's take a look to see what's really attractive from this Gear S3. Comes in the box. We have a manual guide, a micro USB cable, charging dock, power adapter, and of course the Gear S3 Frontier. First off, we talk about the design and build quality. This Frontier version has the best look for a man watch in my opinion. The gunmetal with the sharp edges really attract people for the first look. It looks like an expensive watch with a very good build quality. Was made of stainless steel and has the dust and water resistant. The watch is fairly big at 36mm, that just fit fine on my wrist. It is the 33mm Super AMOLED screen, provide the great colors with a higher resolution 360 by 360. Everything is showed on the screen looks clear and sharp. The new mode, always on display, keep the screen on with a lower light and never goes off on your wrist. Around the screen we have an awesome rotating bezel that feel really smooth when you move. On the side, we got a back and home buttons, just like other model, but the new design make it feel better when pressing. This Frontier came with the silicone strap instead of leather as you wish, but I think Samsung make the right choice because when I replaced it with the leather, I realized the silicone looks much better. Anyway, the straps are 22mm and replaceable. The built-in speaker really rocks on the watch. It sounds very clear and loud, can hit you up when the call or text come in. I always keep it at level 4/6. The micro works great too. When I talked to people over the watch, they thought I was really on the phone. This watch has the fast call pick. I pair it with my iPhone instead of Samsung phone and it works great. Compared to my Moto 2nd General and Apple Watch Series 1, this is the fastest. Battery life with this S3 is amazing. I can last for you up to 3 days even with the mode always on display. This watch can get pretty much all the basic jobs done, and there is tons of cool app and watch face for you to choose. The heart rate sensor is responsive and fast. In conclusion, this is an awesome watch. Not just about the smart things it can do, but also the cool design, the great look. Just take Samsung Gear S3 Frontier to the next level of smartwatch, and now we have the answer why it was out of stock at every department. Alright guys, thanks for your watching. If you enjoy the video, please hit the like button and subscribe the channel for more videos. I'm Jason T and I catch you guys next video. Peace.